look inside your tiny mind, then look a bit harder. 'Cause we're so uninspired, so sick and tired of all the hatred you harbour. So you say it's not okay to be gay. Well, I think you're just evil. You're just some racist who can't tie my laces. Your point of view is medieval. Well, that's not how you find it. Do you really enjoy living a life that's so hateful? 'Cause there's a hole where your soul should be. You're losing control a bit, and it's really distasteful.
As you can see, everything you have cut in Florescent is wrong. So, and all I want to do is just replace them. You know, I don't care how I do it. The lads deserve it. They've spent a lot of money on these tools. They know how they work. You two don't.